Where the sky meets the earth and time seems to pause for a moment, there exists a place where nature's wonders manifest in their purest form. Welcome to Aceh Selatan, a hidden gem cradled in the embrace of nature. Here, by the shimmering riverbanks, happiness feels purer. A place where every drop of water carries meaning, and each stream brings forth new miracles. Explore the natural beauty of Aceh Selatan, where every step creates an unforgettable sensation. Come and discover the wonders that await you. For here, nature and your soul unite in perfect harmony.